What up, family? What's up? What's up? Back in the kitchen. About to make you guys some curry chicken. You know what I'm saying? Some very simple recipes. Some I pulled offline, and plus some of the stuff I'm gonna do that I know of making curry chicken. So we're gonna roll with it. The ingredients here, guys. I got some whole cumin. My seasonings. I got cinnamon. I have curry powder. The good stuff. I have some mixed ginger. I got some coconut milk. I got some garlic. On top of all that, we have the balsamic rice. We're gonna use that today. Got some chicken broth. Got carrots. Got green onions. Of course, got that chicken on deck. I'm gonna use fresh tomatoes. You can use canned if you want to. And I'm gonna use an onion. So let's get it. Let's bust open this chicken. I'm just using chicken legs. That's it. That's enough. I gotta do some curry chicken in here, so go ahead and take your chicken out and give it a good rinse. Some people say clean it, some people don't. In this kitchen, we are cleaning this. We don't know where the hell it came from. Hey guys, gonna take a little lemon juice, run over it. Yes, sir. Slosh it and squash it around here. Rinse it off with some cool water. Be good to go, buddy. All right, guys, have to break out the big boy here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut these guys up. The curry chicken I've had before, from the Jamaican spots, they always chop up their chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that started. Don't be scared from it. It's gonna be all right. Chop, chop. All right, let's go get this started, guys. Chop them over up. So my neighbors don't get mad at me. You gotta chop right here with the stem. Take that off. We'll use that to flavor. Chop them all up. But y'all always see it chopped up. There you go. All right, guys, here we go. I took some of the end of the leg, and I'm not gonna use all of it. So mainly I'm just focused on the top portion of it. So I went ahead and got them all chopped up. And let's go ahead and just set them to the side, get them back inside. All right, guys, I got my tomatoes here. I got a whole onion, and I got my carrots here. I went ahead and kind of shaved them a little bit to get some of the old brown stuff off of it. So I'm going to go ahead and chop these guys up and prepare them, and we're gonna add them when it's time for them to join the party. Hey guys, we are about to get started with our chicken. So I'm taking a little vegetable oil, put in my Dutch oven here, get started. Okay, turn it up on a medium-high heat. All right guys, here we go. I added some more stars to the show, some kosher salt, some chili powder, accent, some ground mustard, I added cumin, even though I'm about to add whole cumin in here, and of course you gotta have the allspice. So let's go ahead and start with like a teaspoon of cumin seeds, whole cumin seeds. It's probably a little bit more than a teaspoon. We'll get started there. Okay. I'm gonna put my curry powder. Start with a teaspoon of that. Maybe a tablespoon of this. There we go. All right. Let's go ahead and do a piece of the cinnamon stick. Okay, all right. Cinnamon stick is in there. Of course, we're adding that flavor. Stir it up a little bit. Get these spices going. I got my less than half as far as heat, maybe less than medium heat. I don't want to burn the spices. It smells good already just with the spices. I kind of got this recipe from like an Indian type website because I was like, let me see how others are doing their curry chicken and add a bit more flavor to it. So I'm kind of merging the two. Only thing I didn't find was some curry masala. Oh, that'd be nice. That would be really nice. So this is more or less like an Indian Jamaican type recipe here. And of course some of my own too. So like a teaspoon of allspice, which has coriander in it. It's a nice flavor, that nice smell. It's beautiful already. It smells really good. I'm gonna go with some chili powder, maybe half a teaspoon of that, because I'm not sure what she used it for. Okay, and then stir it up in there. Got it going. Okay. We're gonna add some onions. Onions always bring the flavor. Some onions in there. It's probably about a half an onion that I'm using. Okay. It already smells really, really good, guys. If I wanted to, I can turn this to jerk right this moment. But it's gonna be curry. And it smells really delicious, especially with the onions in it. Okay. Go ahead and add some ginger. Maybe like a little teaspoon of ginger. It depends on what you want. I mean, I wouldn't mind like a little more flavor. And I got some garlic here. Some that garlic in there. There's like a teaspoon of garlic. Just guys mixed up together all around. The flavors, the smell, the aroma is amazing. It is absolutely amazing. Okay. Go ahead and add the start of the show. All right, guys, start of the show is the chicken. Yes, sir. Got chicken in there. Mixing it on up a bit. Got it. I'm gonna do this till it's covered completely with the seasoning. I may add a little bit more as well too. Make sure the chicken is taken care of. There we go. Okay, we know how chicken is. It needs to be flavored, so we're gonna go with some kosher. And maybe half a teaspoon of kosher, or you can't flavor the taste yet, so just add you a little bit. You can always add something later. Maybe a little accent now, a little accent later. I'm gonna run with some extra ground cumin. Some ground cumin. Okay. Add a little bit more chili powder. Okay. I'm gonna add some brown mustard. Another flavor profile here. And of course you gotta have some curry powder. So add some more of that. Maybe another tablespoon of curry powder. Let's go ahead and mix these guys up. This smells really good. It's good already. Alright guys, add you some coconut milk. About a half a cup. Depends on how much you like coconut. So, me, I'm okay not adding any coconut, but put that stirred in. Have a little battery here, so I'm going to change my battery in a second. Add a little bit more. Go. I'm using Grace. I think you guys saw that already. All right. Next, we're gonna add some chicken broth. As you guys can see, it's already with the color already. Nice and curry green is what I call it. So let's go ahead and add our chicken broth. Yes, sir. I'm gonna do it to where it covers. We'll do it to where it covers over the chicken. We can always make this thicker later if we need it to. There we go. I'm all situated down in there. There we go. There we go. Alright. I'm gonna add a bit more chicken broth because I got peeps around me that do not eat meat. So I'll make enough where we have a soup as well too. Okay. All right. So at this point, let's go ahead and add our tomatoes. Add our tomatoes. Add those. All right, got the tomatoes in there. I'm gonna add a bit more onion. Some more onion. And of course, we got tomatoes and carrots to add, but we're not gonna add it yet. We're gonna let the chicken cook first. All right, let's go ahead and get this down, stirred up in there. All right, do not taste your stuff yet because it still has raw chicken in there. All right, like I said, I'm making this a little bit more soupier, a little bit more juice because I got peeps around me that do not eat meat. So I want to make sure they have enough of this soup. So I'm gonna turn it up to maybe like a medium high, and then I'm gonna cover it up. Let it go for like 20 minutes. Guys, got our water going for our rice. I did 4 cups of water, and we're gonna do 2 cups of basmati rice. All right, and 1 cup. Also, put a little vegetable oil in it as well. And let's go ahead and get this other. There we go. All right, we're gonna take the other cup, right in there. All right, take a little wet spoon, stir it around. Take some of your kosher salt. Bam. Put on top. Should be good. Let this thing go for, we're gonna let it boil on high for like maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're gonna cover it up for like 20 minutes. All right, guys, here is how our curry chicken looks. A little soupy here, but that's fine. That's absolutely fine. We can always thicken it up. So what I want to do is just add vegetables. Right now is the time to taste it as well too. Let's add the carrots, add our potatoes. All right, got potatoes and carrots in there. I add a little bit more onion. Now we let it go for probably about another 10 to 15 minutes, at least until the potatoes and the carrots soften up. I left the skin of potatoes because they hold the integrity a little bit better, and plus, I heard it was good for you. I guys got the rice together. Let's go through and just fluff it up a little bit. There we go, nice and steamy. There we go, looks good. Looks really good. There we go. All right. Hey guys, got everything down here. So what I'm gonna do is, if you take a look at it, it's not as thick as I want it to be. So I'm gonna add a little flour and water mixture. Old school cooking, old school methods. Bam. Take it some warm water, some hot water. Take a couple tablespoons of flour, mix it up until it's nice and smooth. And you add it a little bit at a time to thicken it up. Whatever you add it to. Okay, look at that, it's already thickened up a little bit here. Like steam. All right, guys, here we go. We got it. You can see how thick it is. Steam. But just do it to your consistency. If you want it really thick, add more. If not, don't. All right, let's go ahead and get plated up. All right, guys, go ahead and get this guy plated up. Get that rice on deck. Let's go over here. Get some of our good curry chicken mix. Let's go for it. Look at that. We'll just do the soup part of it. That's it. Just add it. Soupy. Add it. I guess here we are. Curry chicken, basmati rice in the middle. You can add more juice or no, it just depends on what you want, but this is what we have. kitchen. So this curry here, I'm gonna taste it. You guys saw how I made it, all the ingredients. Took a little work to get this done for you guys. So thank you guys for rocking with your boy. If you're here for the first time, please like and subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you join the family. Thank you for watching, and let's go ahead and taste it and see what we got. All right, guys, let's see what we got here. The rice. I probably should taste the curry first, but let's just taste it, see what we got. Go. Oh my goodness. Hi guys, yes, it is good. It was worth your time to get done. Look at that, it's the vegetables. So you just want vegetables. You don't have to use the chicken at all. It actually tastes pretty good without the chicken, but the chicken is good within it as well too. I use Basmati rice. I forget how you pronounce it, but it's for something different, and it works out. Good. That is pretty darn good. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Pray you guys are doing well. You know, I'm back in the kitchen. It felt good. So more to come. So you guys stay in shape. Keep eating right, eating healthy. I'm back on the healthy tip. So that's the other reason why I couldn't get the house today. So again, thank you for joining me today. Pray you guys are doing well. And I'll see you beautiful people next video. Peace.